Creating a clicky thumbnail for YouTube involves using compelling visuals and clear design. Here are some steps to consider. Choose a relevant image. Select an image that accurately represents the content of your video. It should capture the viewer's attention and pique their interest. Contrast and colors. Use contrasting colors and bold text to make the thumbnail stand out. Consider using colors that align with your branding or the mood of the video. Large and clear text. Add a title or short text overlay that gives an idea of the video's content. Use a legible font and place the text where it's easy to read. Expressive faces. If the video features a person, use a facial expression that conveys emotion and curiosity. Simple design. Keep the design clean and uncluttered. Avoid too many elements that might confuse or overwhelm viewer. Consistent branding. Incorporate your channel's branding elements, like your logo or colors, to create a consistent look across thumbnails. A/B testing. Try different thumbnail designs and monitor viewer engagement to see which one performs better. You can use YouTube's analytics for insights. Size and ratio. Thumbnails should be 1280 by 720 pixels with a 16:9 aspect ratio. This ensures they display well across devices. Avoid clickbait. While creating an enticing thumbnail is important, avoid using misleading images or text that don't accurately reflect the video's content. This can negatively impact viewer trust. To know how to create a YouTube channel, click on this link.